Okay guys, we have reached the Teknaf beach, 0 point beach or something like. There is no more Bangladesh after this beach. So let's go in and see. Hey guys, we thought that it's the way to the beach, but they're saying that they're newly building it, not ready yet. So there is probably another way to enter the beach. And lots of fishing boats here. Probably they used it for decoration. Probably like unused fishing boat now turned into beach decoration or something. Hey guys, walking and making POV and hey mama gari. Wow, this side is the sun and this side is the moon. I don't know if you guys can see from the lens, GoPro lens. So yeah, walking to and then also taking pictures. Hey guys, taking picture, and then that's why this video is having few moments of pause in few minutes, because no words guys about the beauty of this beach and the sunset. I don't have any words to explain. I don't have any words to explain what it's like in real life. I don't know how much I can show you guys through the GoPro lens, but it's like heavenly. That's the word I can use. This is probably the future of Cox'S. This is probably the future beach of Bangladesh. Not much people comes here, but in future probably it's gonna be cool, like same like Cox'S Bazar, but I don't know how long it's gonna take. Well, it's like quicksand in here. Oh shit, it's quicksand. See you guys in a bit. Guys, today first time watching a full touchdown sunset in a while. Like, Thank you very much. Hey guys, I just got a subscriber on the beach. Hey guys, the sun is gone now. Like I can see with my eyes, but I don't know if you guys can see with the lens. But it's still there, but behind the clouds. But hey guys, sunset is done. Now probably gonna have food in one of those restaurants, but don't know which one yet. And my iPhone storage is full. I cannot take the camera will not even turn on, because when storage gets full the camera doesn't turn on. That's what I learned now. I never knew that, because my storage usually doesn't get full. So probably have to make rest of the iPhone portrait videos in 1080, because 4K videos are filling up my phone. So let's see what happens. Hey guys, now exiting the beach. Probably gonna have some food, and people are still coming inside the beach, like all those bikes and even bringing their car inside the beach. So yeah, so let's go to my tuk-tuk and let's see if we can have some food here or somewhere else.